Hello everyone, welcome back to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing something super important for anyone sharing their YouTube TV account: how to put a password on your YouTube TV profile. Sharing your YouTube TV account with family or roommates can be great, but it also means everyone has access to your viewing history, recommendations, and even purchasing power. So if you want to keep things private, or maybe prevent the kids from racking up on-demand rentals, a profile password is your best friend. In this video, we're going to walk you through step-by-step how to set up a password on your YouTube TV profile. We'll cover both the computer and mobile app methods, so you can secure your account no matter how you access it. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more helpful tips and tricks on all things streaming and tech. It really helps us out. Alright, let's get started. Section 1. Setting a password on YouTube TV via computer. Okay, first, let's look at how to do this on your computer. Step 1. Open YouTube TV in your web browser. Simply go to tvyoutube.com and sign in with your Google account. Step 2. Go to your profile. In the top right corner, click on your profile picture. Step 3. Manage your Google account. From the drop-down menu, click on Manage your Google account. This will open a new tab or window. Step 4. Navigate to Security. In the Google account settings, look for the Security tab on the left-hand side and click it. Step 5. Use two-step verification, if not already enabled. Scroll down to the How You Sign In to Google section. If you already have two-step verification enabled, great. Skip ahead a little bit. If not, seriously, do it now. Click on two-step verification, and follow the instructions to set it up. This adds a huge layer of security to your entire Google account, not just YouTube TV. It will require a code from your phone in addition to your password when you sign in on a new device. Briefly explain why two-step verification is important. Having two-step verification on means that even if someone gets your password, they still can't access your account without that code sent to your phone. It's super important in today's world. Step 6. Use your Google account password. YouTube TV relies on the password for your entire Google account. So by securing that account, you secure your YouTube TV profile. Suggest using a strong, unique password. It's crucial to use a strong password that you don't use anywhere else. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. A password manager can really help you generate and remember strong passwords. Section 2. Setting a password on YouTube TV via mobile app. Now, let's move on to how to do this on the YouTube TV mobile app. The process is very similar. Step 1. Open the YouTube TV app on your phone or tablet. Step 2. Tap your profile picture. You'll find this in the top right corner of the screen.
Step 3. Manage your Google account. Select, manage your Google account.
Step 4. Navigate to Security. Just like on the computer, go to the Security tab. Step 5. Use two-step verification, if not already enabled. Again, if you haven't already enabled two-step verification, do that now.
Follow the same step before.
Step 6. Use your Google account password. As with the computer, your YouTube TV profile is protected by your Google account password. Section 3. Important considerations and conclusion. Password management is key. The security of your YouTube TV profile is directly tied to the security of your entire Google account. Use a strong, unique password and enable two-step verification. Profile switching. While this method doesn't put a specific password directly on the YouTube TV profile itself, it does ensure that accessing the Google account associated with that profile requires your password, and ideally, two-step verification. This is the most secure and supported way to manage access. Optional. Add a family member directly to your Google account. Google's family features can help you add supervised accounts for younger family members, giving you more control over their viewing habits. So that's it. That's how you add a layer of security to your YouTube TV experience by managing your Google account password and enabling two-step verification. This way, you can enjoy sharing your account with peace of mind knowing your privacy is protected. Hopefully, this video was helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, please leave a comment down below. And if you enjoyed this video, Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.